Hello students, hope you all are doing very well. Now the most talked about topic nowadays among the students is CUET. How to fill the form, what are the subjects that are to be taken, which universities, etc, etc. So please refer to my previous video in which I have talked in detail about CUET, about the changes and many other details. In this video, I'll just talk about how to fill the CUET form. So let's start it. So this is the official site from where you will get all the information, that is cuet.nta.nic.in. From here, you can press the home button and you will be directed to a candidate activity tab. Here you will click on the registration in order to go to this login page. This is the login page for new candidates. So you click on the new registration where you will get a number of information that you have to fill regarding your name, your father name, your mother name, your date of birth, your address, all the details you need to fill up. So you just remember that you fill the correct phone number and the mail ID because you need to access them quite often. You will get the information there only. So after you fill up that form, you will be redirected to this page. You will get this window. Here it is written, please review the following information carefully so that in case if anything needs to be edited, any changes are to be made, you can make your changes here and then submit and send OTP. So edit registration form. I have filled up for one of my candidates, so I'll show you that. This is the review page where you will find your name and all other details, father name, mother name. In case you need to change them, please do so from here. And after that, you will have to submit. You will get the OTP. You enter the OTP and then you submit the registration form. This is what it will look next. Like the registration process you have already completed. Now is the time to do your application form and the fees payment. These two are incomplete. So now register contact details you have already done, and you will get these following 10 steps that you need to fill each of them separately. So register your personal details, then your identity details, then APAR ID. If you don't have your APAR ID, it's okay, you can skip that. Then apply for the exam and select your test paper. This has to be done very carefully. Then qualification details, register the additional details, your emergency contact numbers, and finally you will upload your documents and then submit. Then you will be redirected to the payment page and you pay the fees and your application will be submitted. So exactly 2 months are there for the CUET exams, and side by side your board exams are also going on. So I would suggest that you start preparing side by side. The syllabus is no different. It is NCERT based. The only difference is that this is a test which is MCQ and online. So you need to have a practice of online MCQs. So what I suggest that please visit our website, that is brightmindgurukul.com. Here you will get your test series, and this will help you in preparing yourself for both MCQ and online. So you can type here CUET undergraduate program. It is available, various test series are available for all the subjects. Now let me take up accountancy. Here you can see online test series is there, mock test, chapter wise test, previous year papers. So mock test, there are variety of mock tests. Here you can practice them again and again. Chapter wise also, this will help you improve your chapter basics, and the previous year paper is there also. This will be helpful for practicing and preparing you for the final CUET exam. So this is available for all the subjects. Students, please do visit this website try it out. It will only help you improve and prepare you for the actual test. You are having a lot of gaps during your board exams also. So this is the time where you can visit this website and prepare yourself, practice and only practice, and get the college of your choice.